Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video, class 10th ICSE board physics study material I'll show here. So the entire material links are provided in description below. You can go through. Now these are the chapters according to the ICSE curriculum. So in this all chapters, so all the question banks and assignments are given in the links. Links are given in description below. Just to go through it. Let me show one chapter here. We'll take the first one, calorimetry. Let me show one question bank and assignment. So how it is. So if you take this, so if you see the question bank, this chapter is 32 pages. So it's in the form of PDF. So you can take the printout easily. Question wise, we can give them perfectness. So question wise, they can study. Even 1 mark questions, 2 marks, 3 marks. So everything is in the form of question wise. So clear explanation with the diagrams are there along with the diagrams. So information is given very clearly, right? And when the perfect textbook and this question bank, and from the same chapter assignments also are giving, that means worksheets. So you can give the test from these worksheets. So let me show the same chapter. So these assignments, so 3 pages. So I count the chapter wise. So question 1 A B. So like every questions from the same material as well as from textbook. So questions are prepared, which will come in the examination point of view, and answers also given, right? So you can conduct the test also using this assignments pages. So all the chapters, so instead of conducting the entire subject at a time, all the chapter wise you can conduct the test using these assignments, and the information is very clearly is given in this question banks, right? And apart from this class 10th ICSE board physics, other informations from other class also is available in this website. This website link is provided in the description below. From this only you can go through all the 6 to 12 classes, what are the requirement you required. So not only the class wise, even all the subjects topic wise also this information is given. So not only that, puzzles, some projects, everything is available in the website. You just log on to this, and according to requirement you just can get it.